Welcome to ZipBy. At the end of this quick video, press Next to complete your registration. You'll be asked to allow access to your phone services such as location, Bluetooth, activity and Wi-Fi. We respect your privacy and only use these services when you are parking to grant you entry and exit. On your ZipBy home screen, if the buttons are green, you're good to go. If not, press any of the red buttons to switch on the services. Once you're set up and registration is complete, ZipBy then takes care of everything. When you approach a ZipBy location, you simply enter and exit without touching the app. We'll even email you a receipt. Some points to remember. Please allow 20 minutes to set you up as a ZipBy VIP. If you've downloaded the app for the first time and you're parked in a ZipBy location, you'll still need to exit as usual. The app will be active for your next visit to any of our locations. If you ever get stuck at a ZipBy entry or exit, simply open the app. Check the home screen, ensuring all the buttons are green. And finally, to know if you can use the app, simply look out for the ZipBy entry.